Welcome! Today we're going to provide some steps that may resolve the issue of no AirPrint printers found when printing from an iPhone to a brother machine. This video will cover multiple models. Even though your machine may not match the model referred to on the screen, the overall process will be the same. The No AirPrint Printer Found error occurs when your iOS device is unable to discover your brother machine on a network. There are many environmental factors that may contribute to this issue, but the following procedure will go through the most common issues and hopefully solve the problem. Before beginning, you'll need to make sure that your Apple device and your brother machine are connected to the same network. On the Apple device, click the Settings icon and select Wi-Fi. If the wrong network is selected, select the correct network and try again. If you continue to receive the message No AirPrint Printers Found, you'll need to verify the communication settings on your brother and Apple devices. First, we'll need to print a network configuration report to verify that your brother machine is connected to a wireless network. For specific instructions on printing the network configuration report for your model, follow the link on the screen to the Brother USA FAQ search page. Select your model from the drop-down and click Search. If you do not see your model listed, click your machine type to reveal it. Basic machine types include monolaser, color laser, or inkjet, and can come in both printer and MFC configurations. Once your model is selected, click on the link marked Print Network Configuration Report and follow the instructions listed. Once the report prints, locate your machine's IP address and network name. If your IP address shows 0.0.0.0 or starts with a 169.254, then your brother device is not connected to the wireless network, and you will need to complete a wireless setup for the machine before continuing. For setup instructions specific to your model, follow the link on the screen to the Brother USA FAQ search page. Select your model from the drop-down and click Search. Once again, if you do not see your model listed, you'll need to click on your machine type to reveal it. Then click on the link marked Connect your machine to a wireless network, and follow the instructions listed. Once you've determined the machine has a valid IP address, you'll need to verify communication between your brother machine and Apple device. Open Safari on your Apple device. In the address bar, type the IP address found on the Network Configuration Report. If the printer setup page opens, your machine is connected. If the page is not displayed, or the connection times out, your brother machine is no longer communicating with your mobile device. To restore the connection, power off both the brother machine and the Apple device. With both powered down, reboot your router by disconnecting the power and then plugging it back in. It may take several minutes for the router to finish rebooting. Please make sure all the lights on the router have come back on before proceeding. Once the router is finished rebooting, turn on your Apple device and brother machine. Check the Wi-Fi settings on your Apple device to verify that it's connected to the correct network. Once the correct network is confirmed, try printing again. If your printer is still not found, you may need to update the printer's firmware. There are various methods for updating a machine's firmware. Many of our newer models can update directly from the machine. If your model does not have this option, follow the link on the screen to learn how to update your firmware using a computer. Once the firmware is updated, try printing again. If AirPrint is still not working, you'll need to verify IPv6 is enabled on your machine. IPv6 is a connection protocol that allows your brother machine and Apple device to stay connected. For instructions on how to activate IPv6, visit brother-usa.com/support. Enter your model number and follow the link to your model support page. Under Frequently Asked Questions, type IPv6 in the search box, then click Search. Once you locate the IPv6 instructions for your model, go to the front panel of your brother machine and follow the instructions to activate IPv6. Once activated, power off your brother machine and then power it back on. Then try printing again. If the printer is still not found, you'll need to check your router's network and wireless settings. The configuration of dual-band routers in particular can sometimes cause disruptions and connection loss with your brother machine. To locate your router's IP address, go to Settings and Wi-Fi. Select the I symbol next to your network name. The router's IP address will display. Open Safari and type the IP address in the address bar. You may be prompted for a username, password, or key. This information can usually be found on the side of your router. If you do not have this information, contact your router manufacturer or internet provider. Once on the router settings page, you'll need to verify that both frequency bands do not share the same name. If they do have the same name, you'll need to rename one or both bands. Then try printing again. If your brother machine is still not discovered, please check the video description for more router settings that may help. You may need to contact your router manufacturer or internet provider to make more advanced changes. For more tutorials, FAQs, and videos, visit us at brother-usa.com/support. If you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe. Thank you for choosing Brother.